Welcome back to Smart Read Digest. Today, we're diving deep into the legendary 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. If you've ever felt stuck in busy work or overwhelmed by your to-do list, these aren't just bullet points. They're a proven roadmap to personal and professional transformation. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll unpack each habit, share real-world stories, and give you bite-sized exercises you can start today. So grab a notebook, hit subscribe, and let's redesign your future, one habit at a time. Habit 1. Proactive ownership. Habit 1 is all about moving from reactive to proactive. Instead of blaming traffic, coworkers, or circumstances, you choose your response. Imagine a manager who's constantly late to meetings and berates the team for low morale. A proactive leader would pause, ask, "How can I set a better example?" and adjust their own schedule first. Your 7-day exercise. Identify one recurring excuse script you use. "I didn't have time," "the system's broken," etc. Each morning, catch yourself before you say it, and replace it with, "I choose to." By day 7, you'll notice your default mindset shifting from blame to agency. Habit 2. Vision-driven planning. Habit 2 urges you to begin with the end in mind. You don't wander aimlessly. You map out your personal mission statement. Think of Elon Musk sketching Mars colonization plans in a coffee shop, guided not by trend, but by his North Star, making life multi-planetary. 7-day challenge. Take 15 minutes each evening to write a single sentence describing your ideal life in 5 years. Day 1. Career vision. Day 2. Relationships. Day 3. Health. Day 4. Finances. Day 5. Personal growth. Day 6. Impact on others. Day 7. Weave all 6 sentences into a cohesive mission statement. Hang it where you'll see it first thing every morning. Habit 3. Disciplined action. Habit 3 is put first things first. It's the art of scheduling your priorities before your emails. Stephen Covey called it going from necessity orientation to leadership orientation. Consider a best-selling author who starts each day drafting chapters at 6 a.m. before inbox chaos erupts. That ritual guarantees progress on what matters most. Your 7-day drill. Each Sunday night, identify the single most important task. For each weekday, no more than 3. Block 90 minutes on your calendar for that MIT and guard it like a VIP meeting. Track completion daily. By day 7, you'll have 7 uninterrupted power hours logged. Habit 4. Abundance mindset. Habit 4 teaches you to think win-win instead of scarcity. In my own channel collaborations, I've seen creators hoard ideas, fearing others might steal them. But once they shifted to abundance, sharing scripts, co-hosting live streams, they doubled their audience in months. Your 7-day experiment. Each day, reach out to one peer in your field and offer something of genuine value. A piece of advice, a resource, or a connection. Notice how collaboration turns competitors into allies and how giving actually boosts your own confidence and creativity. Habit 5. Empathetic listening. Habit 5 is seek first to understand, then to be understood. Too often we listen with the intent to reply, not to truly comprehend. Picture a TED speaker who pauses, leans in, holds eye contact. She's not collecting rebuttals. She's feeling her audience's heartbeat. 7-day listening lab. Have one 10-minute conversation each day where your sole aim is to listen. No advice, no anecdotes, just paraphrase what you hear. You'll notice how people open up when they feel heard, and how that empathy lays the groundwork for genuine influence. Habit 6. Creative synergy. Habit 6 combines strengths to produce results greater than the sum of parts. Think of 2 YouTubers who each nail storytelling and editing. When they co-host, Their subscriber counts skyrocket because they amplify each other's talents. Your 7-day synergy sprint. Pair up with someone whose skills complement yours. Co-brainstorm one mini project. Maybe a 1-minute collaboration clip or a shared blog post. Focus on open dialogue. What can we build together that neither of us could alone? By day 7, aim to publish or present your joint creation. Habit 7. Continuous renewal. Habit 7 is Sharpen the Saw. It's the daily investment in your physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual edges. Think of an Olympic athlete who logs hours in the gym, then another in recovery, nutrition, meditation, sleep. Your 7-day renewal plan. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to one of these 4 areas, rotating so you hit each by day 4, then repeat. Day 1, quick workout. Day 2, read a chapter of a challenging book. Day 3, journaling or gratitude practice. Day 4, mindful breathing or prayer. Days 5 to 7, repeat the cycle, tracking how you feel. By the weekend, you'll recharge your entire system. There you have it, the full spectrum of habits that can transform how you work, lead, and live. Your mission? Pick one habit, practice it for 7 days, and share your breakthrough stories in the comments below. If you found this guide valuable, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell, because every day I'm dropping bite-sized shorts that unpack one habit at a time. Thanks for watching Smart Read Digest. Here's to redesigning your future, one habit at a time.